Signing into your Swansea University Zoom account can be frustrating. If you are asked to sign in after clicking on a university Zoom link, this sign-in page may appear if you are not already signed on. However, for Swansea University Zoom meetings you'll need to use the SSO option as seen on the bottom right under the image of a key. In this next screen you will need to enter Swansea University all in lowercase, with no spaces, and then click on Continue. Enter your full Swansea University email address. For example, your student number followed by @swansea.ac.uk. Enter your Swansea University password. You might be asked to approve your sign-in. This can be done in a number of ways. The first option is using the Microsoft Authenticator app associated with your Swansea University email address. If successful, this will log you into your Zoom account. However, if you haven't set this up, click on the I can't use my Outlook mobile app right now link. Choose one of the other options, either generate another code, receive a code by text message, or receive a code by an automated phone call. Once you receive the code, enter it and click Verify. You may get the option to stay signed in. If you are on a shared computer such as a library device, click No. However, if you are on a personal device, then it's entirely up to your preference. You can now use Zoom to access the session.